What's up, champs? Welcome to today's video. My name is Trevin Peterson. I'm a full-time seven-figure Amazon seller, and today I'm going to be breaking down another tool that Helium10 just released. They continue adding more features, more products to their suite of software tools, and it amazes me that they keep coming out with new features. It's crazy. But today specifically, I want to break down the Helium10 mobile app, break down what am I going to use it for, my honest opinion about it, and just give you guys a review of how to use it and my thoughts on this app. So before we dive into it, make sure to go like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe, and let's dive into the video. Okay, so let's dive into my phone and break down the Helium10 mobile app. So we're gonna come over here and I'm gonna do a screen recording. So right here, we're in my phone and I searched the Helium10 mobile app on the App Store, and look what we got. We got TikTok advertising their app right here. That's insane. They don't need any more users, but this video is not about TikTok. It's about the Helium10 mobile app. And as you guys can see, I've already downloaded, but you're going to click on download Helium10 mobile, monitor your Amazon business. So here's just kind of some cool pictures. As you guys can see, your Amazon business health on the go. Let's go critical data at your fingertips, which is really cool. Monitor your product's performance with at-glance metrics, your sales dashboard, easily track your orders by date, get quick notifications of your account activity. So, I mean, it does quite a bit, and it's kind of cool that you have access to that just right on your phone, right at your fingertips. Sometimes it's kind of hard to go on your computer at all given moments of the day. You can't, where here on your app, you can always just quick get on and see what you need. So that is a cool feature. Right here, let's just read what it has to offer. The Helium10 app is the mobile sidekick to your Helium10 account. You have Helium10 profits and alerts right on your mobile device. So that right there is cool, because alerts is something that everyone should be implementing. And basically what it's going to do and tell you inside the app is, did you get a negative review? Did you get a positive review? Did someone hijack your listing? How many sellers are on that account? Did your category change? Did pictures change? Did someone basically destroy your listing? So those are things that are going to alert you, and you have that right at your fingertips, and you can see exactly what changed without having to log on to your laptop and check your Helium10 account. So I really like that feature, and to be honest, that's one of the biggest things that I'm going to be using this app for, is for the alerts. So if you don't have alerts activated, I'd highly recommend it, and that comes with the Platinum plan. If you guys don't have the Platinum plan yet, check out the link down below. There's a coupon code for 50% off for the first month. So you also have profits, which is kind of cool. I'll show you guys what that is. The critical data you need to run your business right at your fingertips, sales trends, charts, products, orders. And I was actually surprised. I got on and I saw the different sales trends, and I'll kind of show you exactly inside my app kind of what it does. But I was quite surprised and impressed with the data that it was giving me, and I was like, oh, this is kind of cool. I'm actually going to be using this. Where at first they're like, oh, an app, do I need it? And the reality is you don't necessarily need it. It's just a bonus perk of having Helium10. It's no extra cost. If you already have a Helium10 account, you might as well download the app and use the app and the information that they give you. So sales trends, charts, products, track your favorite products to see how they're performing. Orders, keep track of all of your orders. Alerts, again, track by marketplace, so you can connect to different marketplaces and toggle in and out of marketplaces. So that's that. Now let's go and open the app. And what I did is I connected an account that doesn't have any data. If I connected my account, it would literally show everything. And it's kind of cool that it does show everything. But for the sake of this video and for a tutorial purpose, I'm just going to kind of show you guys kind of what it looks like with the number 0. So today, it's going to show you the gross sales, how many units, the orders, the promo, the refunds. That's kind of cool to see right here. And instead of checking your seller app, you can check right here. And at the same time, you can check a lot of other things. You're still going to check your seller app. That's just the reality of it. Amazon sellers, I've seen a bunch of memes where you check your seller account like every 10 minutes and you're like, come on, refresh. another order. Nope, come on, refresh. Oh, another order, and you just get excited. So that's just the way it goes. So you can check that. It is kind of cool that you can see kind of the promos, how many people used your coupon code, how many refunds you have. You can't really track that inside your Seller Central app. Then you can also check yesterday's sales. So it's going to show you, are you up from yesterday? Are you down? How many units compared to yesterday? And so that's kind of cool to see kind of where you're at. Are you progressing? Are you on a downward trend, upward trend? This is information just to look at. Then you also have the week, so the sales for the week and the month. So that's kind of cool right there. Then right down below it has your units sold, and if I actually had sold units, it would have a graph right here, and it would basically be comparing March to February and break that down. Then you have the gross sales, and again, it's going to have all that right there. The next thing that I actually really liked was the sales trends. So yesterday versus previous day, and when I logged on to my account, this was actually surprising. One day I logged on and it showed a product that was trending. I had a ton of sales the day before, and then the next day I didn't have as many sales, and I was like, what? Why was that? And it was because I was running a lightning deal. And you can see different sales trends, or maybe there was a spike because of a demand. Maybe it's Mother's Day and you're selling a Mother's Day gift. Or maybe it's Christmas time and you're selling something that's involved around Christmas, or whatever the case is. You can see the trends and see, are you selling a consistent 10 units a day? Are you selling 20 units on Saturday and 10 units on Monday? Like, it's just kind of interesting to look at, and that's what you can do with the sales trends, and you can see declining and increasing. And then you can also favorite products. So you can kind of track products, and you do that inside Helium10, and then you can just track it right here. And then again, you have the orders, so you can see the latest orders. The next one is the alerts. As you guys can see, I don't have any alerts, but this is really cool. It's going to show you, like I was mentioning, increased 5-star reviews, negative reviews, product images change, category changes. You'll be surprised at what changes, and Helium10 is going to alert you, and you have access to that right on the app. So that's super cool. And then of course you have your account, and that is it. So that is the app. It's pretty straightforward. It's simple. I like it. It's cool. And when you connect to your Helium10, when you give access the authorization token, that's where it will pull all of this data, and you'll have it on your app, and it's super cool to look at. So log on to the Helium10 app, sign into your Helium10 account, and it will start pulling the data, and you'll have all this data at your fingertips, and it's super cool. So my review on it is, do I need it? No. But is it cool, and is it something that I'm going to be using? Absolutely. It doesn't cost me anything. I'm already paying for Helium10, so I might as well download the app and use it and use this information. And also the alerts is the biggest thing. I can just track it a little bit easier, and I don't always have to be on my phone, and that's sometimes kind of a pain to be on my laptop, I should say, because I don't always have Wi-Fi. I don't always have access to my computer, but I always have my phone, and it's easy to check that information. So that's what I'm going to be using it for. Tell me your guys' thoughts down below. Helium10 also released a ton of new tools. Let's see, what was it? They did portals. They have market tracker, and then they also have a PPC tool. So I'll do reviews on those, breaking those down and how I'm going to use those, but I just want to break down the app and kind of let you guys know and get a feel for it. And I want to hear your guys' thoughts. What is your favorite tool with Helium10? What are you going to be using? What do you want to see in the future with Helium10 videos, tutorial videos, how to use certain tools? Let me know down below, and I just want to say thank you guys, and we will see you in the next video.